Hello again, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's, and I have here I think it's a Fiat Ducato, because it's not badged, but obviously these Citroen Relay, Peugeot Boxer. I think this one is a Fiat Ducato. Sometimes the Fiat Ducatos do have a different engine, so we'll have a look at that once we open the bonnet. So looking at the engine, it's a Fiat version, but they've changed it a lot. We've got all of this extra stuff all over the top. Very hard to access anything down there. Okay, so I'm going to use the X4 301 Euro from launch, and we'll set up a scan. Okay, so it comes up as a Fiat. So this is the Fiat. It's got the Fiat badge now on the steering, you can see. Just because it's a camper, it's been rebadged. Oh yeah, we might need to, hopefully I've got my FCA account set up, because you do need, it's got a secure gateway access on these. Now, a little bit of a story about this is what I've been told from the customer. So it got a light on the dash saying DPF cleaning, continue driving. He continued to drive, but it went into limp mode. Called the DPF specialist out. They said it's the DPF pressure sensor. They changed that. He then got in the van to take it for a drive. The same message came up: continue driving, DPF cleaning. And he continued to drive again, but again it went into limp mode. He called another DPF specialist out, and they said it needs a DPF clean. They cleaned the DPF. Immediately after they left, he took the van for a drive. Same message came up: drive to clean, continue driving. And shortly afterwards, bang, it's back in limp mode. So that's why he's here. So I'm going to see if I can figure out what's wrong. A quick note that I would mention is looking at the engine bay. I'm not looking forward to doing any repairs on this. Okay, now hopefully I can get this set up, because I do have issues with logging in. Every time I want to log in, it says your account doesn't work, and apparently it disables your account every 30 days. You need to make a new password and all this crap. But not only do they put this stuff on it, they just make it really difficult to get logged back in. Log in with your FCA account. So basically, me as a mechanic have to pay to be able to do anything with the car or do any diagnosis work on it. You have to pay Fiat. That's all this is about. Now, is it just me, or does anybody else have trouble signing into this stupid Stellantis website? Because first of all, it says your password has expired because I haven't used it in the last 30 days. Now I have to make a new password, and then you make a new password, and then it doesn't work because it can take 48 hours for that to transfer your new password over. So now I'm stuck. Now what? Well, I guess I can do a standard code search, but not much else. Okay, so I can log in and read default codes, but might not be able to do any special functions. These are the fault codes we have: P2002, diesel particle filter efficiency, brake pedal position. Now that can happen on these French vehicles if you put your foot across the brake and accelerator at the same time. I've seen it log off that fault code, but implausible data from the vehicle security system, probably because it's got stuff fitted on it. P20F2, I've not seen that code before. NOx catalyst efficiency below threshold, but it's same description but a different fault code on this particular car. Let's go into live data. No activation record. No, we're having trouble signing into that. Okay, we managed to get into live data at least. So we're in soot level mass 2. Differential pressure is 4, 5, 6, hovering around there. Catalyst temperature 78% soot mass. Let's hold it up at 3000 RPM. Okay, it's done 8,000 miles, engine management light is on. Unfortunately, it's got a cracked DPF. So that's why the catalyst efficiency is below threshold. It's getting covered in soot. DPF's cracked. Why is it cracked is the question. Probably fuel injectors. And unfortunately, there's not much else I can do there, but I can confirm it needs a new DPF. Okay, so as the DPF cleaner, like I said, I can't really clean it. It doesn't need cleaning. I wouldn't feel comfortable putting a new DPF on it because we can't really confirm why the DPF's cracked. I think it would obviously be a software issue or to fuel injectors. And I haven't got a fuel injector tester, you know, a bench tester for this. So I'm going to recommend him taking it over to my friend. Hopefully he can pull the injectors out, test it, just confirm that there's nothing wrong with the injectors before you put a new DPF on it. But yeah, it's not great. I'm seeing this every single day with cars with less than 20,000 miles on them. Euro 6, I've never used to see this with a Euro 5, cracked DPFs and stuff. Very, very rare, but I'm seeing it on a daily basis now. So this one deserves putting on my new cap. Make DPFs great again. So that's it on the Fiat Ducato. See you on the next video.